If you have a to-do list in Excel, one thing you may want to consider is tracking the number of days until a certain deadline and applying formatting to help call attention to those deadlines as they come due. So for example, I want to calculate days remaining. What I'm going to do is take my deadline and subtract today's value. That's going to tell me the number of days remaining until that date. Copy this down. And now what I'm going to do is use some good initial formatting to create a rule based on our formula to say, based on that value in column D, if it's less than 7, less than a week away, I'm going to highlight it in red, put a font of white, call my attention to it. I can also create duplicates of this. So duplicate that rule and let's modify it. So let's say if it's less than 14 days, I can modify that to maybe make that a yellow fill, black font. Easy enough. Because I've got this hierarchy, first it's going to look at this rule, then this one, hit apply. And just like that, I can easily color code my to-do list in Excel.